ORIENT Flex is a company with diverse production lines and strong global sales. Renowned for flexible hoses and couplings, ORIENT Flex serves various industries, ensuring products meet global standards. With a focus on excellence, we will have an introduction for spray hose series. Airless paint spray hose R7 and R8. Airless paint spray hoses are designed for the transport of paint and are widely used in automatic spraying systems. These hoses contain different internal reinforcements and are available in different pressures. The thinner diameter is usually between 5 mm and 25 mm, can be operated in a temperature range from -40°C to 100°C. It generally comes in 3 colors: red, blue, black. Their corrosion resistance and smooth, easy to clean internal structure ensure long-term stability, making them indispensable in industries where accuracy and efficiency are crucial. Sandblast hose. Sandblast hose is an important industrial piping material, mainly used for sandblasting operation. Widely used in foundry, ship, steel structure, bridge, paint spraying and other industries. It is wear resistant, electrically conductive, high pressure resistant and soft. The thinner diameter is usually between 12 mm and 150 mm. Can be operated in a temperature range from -40°C to 70°C. There are 2 types of TPU material lay-flat hoses. It can clean and treat the surface of various workpieces, effectively removing surface dirt and oxidation layer to improve the quality and precision of workpieces. Rubber air hose. Rubber air hose is a very common conveying hose, which has a wide range of applications in industrial production. The rubber material is resistant to acid and alkali, grease and oil, high temperature, high elasticity and abrasion resistance, which can withstand greater pressure changes and extrusion deformation. Can be used under high pressure and heavy load. The thinner diameter is usually between 4.8 mm and 100 mm. Can be operated in a temperature range from -40°C to 70°C. Mainly used in petroleum, chemical, automotive, agricultural machinery and other fields. Rubber twin welding hose. Rubber twin welding hose are 2 kinds of hoses connected together in parallel using a special process. Generally more widely used in the transport of gases, liquid fuels, oxygen acetylene gas, welding and cutting equipment hose. Rubber twin welding hose are aesthetically pleasing. Acetylene hose is generally red, oxygen hose is blue. Easy to identify. Temperature range typically -10°C to 65°C. It has the characteristics of high pressure resistance, aging resistance, alkali resistance and fire resistance. Ideal for use in welding equipment. ORIENT Flex is proud to offer comprehensive supplier services with a focus on seamless support and tailored solutions. We continue to grow globally